I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming that you're on an Exchange or Office 365 account because Recall only works there. Once confirmed, open Sent Items and find the message you want to retract. Next, with the message selected, go to the Message tab, choose Actions, and click Recall this message. This starts the recall wizard. Make sure to act quickly. Recall effectiveness drops once recipients read or forward the email. Now you choose how to handle the sent mail, delete unread copies, or replace with a new message. You can also check the option to receive confirmation about which recipients were successfully recalled, which helps you track outcomes. If you choose to replace the message, compose the corrected version right away and send it. Remember that Recall runs server-side and depends on recipient mailbox settings, so choose replacement only when you've corrected the content clearly. Finish the process by monitoring your inbox for recall success or failure messages. They indicate which recipients had unread copies removed. Once done, if recalls fail, send a concise follow-up explaining the correction and request deletion. This preserves clarity and reduces risk. If the message is critical and recall fails universally, contact your IT admin for additional options or ask recipients directly to delete the original. Proactive communication mitigates damage when automatic recall cannot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.